Hello and welcome to Connexit training videos. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Formatter, a hidden feature inside Connexit. So let's get started. You can make use of Connexit to a next level using formatters by modifying the data from one app to use in another app at your specified formats. I will take typo form. This will be my trigger where I capture my form, lead form, and also I use Gmail to show the representation of my modified data. And also I will start explaining today. I'm going to explain you about different type of formatters. There are three types of formatters inside Connexit, that is date, number, and text formatter. For this demo, I'm going to explain you about date formatter. Text formatter, I'm using it for merging my data. I select my form where I capture my lead response. I'm taking an example of job registration form. There is a bunch of things you can do in date formatter. You can modify the dates. One thing is you can format your date. The other thing is you can actually add or subtract the time from the date. So I will show you add or how to do add or subtract the date. So this is where you format the date. So basically when you choosing a format option, even when you selecting the format date option, so you will be able to choose the format. These are all the different type of formatters, how you want to display your date. This is how this is a form different kind of formats. So I'm choosing add or subtract time. Again I'm choosing the format. You can see that this is just a representation of your dates. So you can see how you going to represent your date. So I'm selecting this format where I'm taking it as year, month, and date. I'll select this as my format. And also this is where the things comes into picture where you actually add or subtract your time. So you can actually add something like this, that I'm when I choosing a date, so I can select as +2 days. This actually basically what it does is it add 2 days to the date whichever you get selected. So I'm just giving an option of date of joining over here, and I select the same date. I'm using it in my email as a subject. I can select to as an email address. For creating a body content, I use text formatter. Basically, I'm merging my content. You can see that I can use multiple attributes to merge my content. Also, I take date of joining just to show the difference between how the date formatter works. So I select as a body. Here I go with my content. I'll save my connects. So straight away I will jump into testing my created connect. What I actually doing is any new entry on typo form will trigger and send email option on Gmail. So I will be receiving an email option. This is my form in typo form. I will input all my records. So I'm choosing a month as January and the date as I can say as 12th and the year as 2020. This is just for reference. That's it. So I filled my form. Now I'll be receiving an email over here. So all my formatted data will look like this. So whenever user fills a form in typo form, it adds 2 days to the date of joining and it queues using text formatter. I merge all the data where I will get the exact data. So I had given this to subject and this to a body. So we can actually able to see all these changes in my emails. Yes, this is where I'm getting the data. You can see the format of the date which I actually selected over here, year, month and the date. You can see that comes in the format and also the date has been changed to 14th. The main date which I had given as date of joining as 12th because it is adding 2 days to the particular date. This is how you can use a modified data based on your requirement and all the details has been merged using the text formatter. This is how you can format your data to modify the content what you are receiving it from one app and you can use the same content modified content in another apps as per your requirements. Hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions or doubt you can drop in at the comment section below. Have a great day. Thank you.